This is an update on my corn from my last video. I searched Google and it says the problem can be either too much heat or overwatering. I'm quite sure it's too much heat because the heat here where I am is over 100 degrees. So I've decided to just remove the plant and wait until it cools down and we plant some more corn. After that, I moved the plant further in the shade and I decreased the watering pattern that I had before. But somehow nothing has changed. It continued drying and the corn, the ears have not been growing or anything. So you'll see coming up in the next clip how they have deteriorated. Hi guys, I'm back with my corn. I think I have to make a decision as to what I'm going to do with this corn because it doesn't seem to be getting any better. As you can see, some parts are still green, but it's drying up. So let me show you. On this one stalk, this one has 5 ears of corn, and this one on the other side has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ears of corn on this stalk. I've never seen a corn stalk with that many ears of corn. And this one has 1, 2, 3 ears. Let me pick them to show you what they're looking like. Seems to be something else going on because here you can see there are about 3 ears coming on this one ear of corn, So that would have made it 4 ears of corn all together. So let me open up this and see what kind of germination, what kind of pollination we were having. This is what this is looking like. Let me get another one. This is what this one looks like. So I think I'm gonna just pull all these corns and just dispose of them. Probably I'll put them in the compost, because there's nothing more for me to get from them at this point. So I think I'm gonna replant some, and hopefully in the next few months I'll have better luck. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.